Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to find the area of a trapezium. We've got 3 success criteria, and the first one is to understand how to find the area of a trapezium. So a trapezium is a 4-sided 2D shape, and it has one pair of parallel sides. So this is what a trapezium would look like. So let's first decide if these shapes are trapeziums or not. Pause the video, and when you're ready for the answers, press play. So we need to think about whether these shapes are trapeziums or not. And it's these shapes highlighted in white that are trapeziums. So these ones are trapeziums. It's a 4-sided shape that has one pair of parallel sides. Remember, parallel sides can run and run and run and will never meet. So to find the area of a trapezium, we add together the parallel sides, we then divide by 2, and then we multiply by the distance between the parallel sides. This is normally given by h. Now there's a rhyme that you can memorize to help you remember this, and it's half the sum of the parallel sides times the height between them. That is how we calculate the area of a trapezium. And now we've completed success criteria 1. So now we're going to move on to number 2. This is to calculate the area of a trapezium. So here we've got a trapezium and we want to calculate the area. So we start by adding together the parallel sides. So that would be 5 and 7. So that's 12. Then we divide this by 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then we times by the distance between the parallel sides. So that means we times by 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. And remember, area is always measured in centimeters squared. So our answer is 18 centimeters squared. Here's another question. So we want to find the area of this trapezium. So we add together the parallel sides, so that's 10 and 15, so 25. Then we divide that by 2, so that's 12.5. And then we times by the distance between the parallel sides, so that's going to be 5 centimeters. And that's 62.5 centimeters squared. Here's a question for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to see what you should have done, press play. So to find the area of this trapezium, we need to add together the parallel sides. So 15 and 21 is 36. Then we divide that by 2, so 36 divided by 2 is 18. And then we times that by the distance between the parallel sides, so that's 6. So 18 times 6 is 108. So our answer is 108 millimeters squared. Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers. There's your amber answers. And there's your red answers. The greens made Kenya. The ambers made Japan. And the reds made Chile. So now we've completed success criteria 2. So now we're going to move on to number 3, and this is to apply to problem solving questions. So in this question, we want to find the green area. So that's the area of the trapezium with the area of the triangle taken away. So we find the area of the trapezium first. So we add together the parallel sides, divide by 2, and then times by the distance between them. So the area of the trapezium is 66 centimeters squared. Then we find the area of the triangle, which is the base times the height divided by 2. So that's 10 times 2 divided by 2, which is 5 centimeters squared. So the green area will be 66 take away 5, so that's 61 centimeters squared. Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers. There's your amber answers. And there's your red answers. And now we've completed success criteria 3. So now that we've completed the last objective, it's time to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you found it useful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to check out other videos on the rest of the channel. I'll see you next time. See ya.